Want to make your garden look stunning without spending a fortune? You don't need fancy decor or pricey supplies, just a creative eye, a few dollars, and a quick trip to Dollar Tree. Here are 10 clever, budget-friendly garden ideas using Dollar Tree items that will make your outdoor space shine. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy garden tips from Golden Year's Lifestyle Hub. 1. Painted garden stones with personality. Grab a bag of smooth river rocks and some acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. Now paint cheerful flowers, bugs, or inspiring words like hope, bloom, or joy. Once dry, place them along walkways, around pots, or at the edge of your beds. They're bright, waterproof, and make your garden feel alive. Love ideas like this? Make sure you're subscribed. 2. Hanging baskets from wire trash cans. Take a wire mesh trash can from Dollar Tree, flip it upside down, and line it with coconut liner or coffee filters. Fill it with soil and plant trailing flowers like petunias or ivy. Hang it up using twine or a plant hook. It's a high-end look without the high-end price. For more gems like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. 3. Solar jar lanterns for magical nights. Pick up glass jars and solar lights from Dollar Tree. Remove the light stakes and fit the solar top into the jar lid or just place it inside. Add glass gems or wrap the jars with twine for charm. Scatter them across your garden, porch, or steps. They charge by day and glow by night. If you love peaceful garden nights, hit subscribe. 4. Plastic fence panels for pretty borders. Those white plastic garden fences at Dollar Tree? Use them to create neat little borders around flower beds, veggies, or walkways. They're lightweight, easy to snap together, and you can even spray paint them for a new look. It instantly tidies your space with zero digging. Like what you see? Be sure to subscribe for more. 5. Colorful mug planters. Grab one of those cute ceramic mugs or bowls from the Dollar Tree kitchen section. Add a bit of gravel, then potting soil, and plant a succulent, herb, or mini flower. They make great window planters or porch decorations. You can even give them as garden-themed gifts. For more clever repurposing tips, make sure you're subscribed. 6. Windchimes from old utensils. Turn metal spoons, forks, or measuring cups into charming wind chimes. Use twine or fishing line to hang them from a Dollar Tree basket, hoop, or even an old strainer. Add a few beads or bells for color and sound. When the wind blows, it's pure garden music. Love relaxing DIYs like this? Tap that subscribe button. 7. Faux terracotta planters that fool everyone. Grab a plastic pot from Dollar Tree and paint it with a mix of orange and brown paint to mimic aged terracotta. Use a sponge or rag to dab on the colors randomly for that rustic, real clay look. Seal it with clear spray. They look designer, but you only spent a few bucks. For more classy on a budget projects, don't forget to subscribe. 8. DIY trellises from cooling racks. Use wire cooling racks, oven grates, or even dish racks. Tie them together with zip ties to form a lightweight trellis. Stick them in containers or garden beds and grow peas, beans, or flowering vines. Paint them for a custom look. If you like vertical gardening hacks, hit that subscribe button. 9. DIY stepping stones with personality. Make garden stepping stones using a shallow tray, quick-set cement, and decorative pebbles or shells from Dollar Tree. Pour, press, and personalize them. Let the kids or grandkids help for an extra special touch. They're functional, fun, and one of a kind. Want more fun garden crafts? Subscribe and stay inspired. 10. Vertical garden tower from laundry baskets. Stack 2 plastic laundry baskets with holes. Line them with landscape fabric, fill with soil, and cut small planting holes around the sides. Now you've got a vertical tower perfect for strawberries, herbs, or flowers. It's space-saving and eye-catching. Subscribe if you want more ideas like this for small spaces. Wrap up. A garden that grows with you. And just like that, your garden is blooming with personality, style, and charm, without breaking your budget. Which idea will you try first? Leave a comment and let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget, tap the like button, subscribe to Golden Year's Lifestyle Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss a feel-good gardening moment. Because here, we don't just garden, we grow joy, one beautiful idea at a time.